Had to come up to the shop for a little drywall mud for my next project here. It's Friday, getting an early start for Monday. Figured I'd show you my maintenance man mobile. My little electric box truck. Pretty cool. Ladder rack. Hauls me and all my parts around this 100-acre campus. I'm a night guy, so it's important for me to be able to go down sidewalks right up to the front door. All my tools, parts, maintenance man supplies. Got a nice little back here for more access. Gotta have a cart, man. Your best tool there is. Oh man, best part about working at night as a maintenance man on a 100-acre campus, it's quiet. Ain't nobody here but me and some cleaners.